President Rodrigo Duterte ordered the AFP or the Air Force to procure 16 units of Mi-17 medium-lift helicopter with a total worth of 12.5 billion from Russia to beef up the Air Force capability in medium-lift helicopter. This is the first official acquisition from Russia. The per unit is 14.7 million US dollar, and this is being acquired under the second phase of the AFP modernization program. This is expected to be officially signed during the visit of President Duterte on Russia on this October. It is possible that Russia will give additional free helicopter. Kaya magandang balita to mga tol. So please like and subscribe.